I am very pleased to address once again this august gathering of SCO leaders, and it's a pleasure to be in the beautiful city of Astana. Excellencies, Pakistan fully aligns itself with the socio-economic and security objectives of SCO. Our association with SCO member states goes back centuries. For us, SCO is an organic and natural association of countries where brothers, neighbors and friends sit together to discuss and find solutions. Today, the world is facing the increasingly grave challenges of climate change, which demands a collective and urgent global response. Excellencies, terrorism and extremism, whether committed by individuals, groups or states, must be fought collectively in a comprehensive fashion. Pakistan has already proposed to hold the next meeting of CHG on 15th and 16th of October this year. We look forward to hosting all respected SCO leaders in Islamabad on these dates. I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to working together to strengthen SCO as an active and integrated regional forum to achieve our common objectives of peace and prosperity in line with the Shanghai spirit. I thank you all.